A recent decision to review the establishment of over 300 grazing reserves in 25 states generates quite a reaction. Typical of the chief executive, any policy perceived to be geared towards land grabbing is resisted in its entirety.
The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria allows governors, and it allows me to hold in trust the land that belongs to Benue people. It is not the president. Yes. If the president wants land, the leader says the president will seek my permission. Yes. And I will seek the consent of Benue people and allocate that land to him. And so the president cannot.
In its early days in office, the presidency began to push for cattle colonies, then shifted to rural settlements, then a livestock transformation plan before its latest decision.
Benue State will not accept cattle routes and grazing areas. In the first place, the federal government and the president himself do not have the right to preside over the land of this state.
It will be recalled that as a means to end the ceaseless killing of farmers by suspected herdsmen terrorizing the nation's food basket, the state government enacted a law prohibiting open grazing of livestock in 2017.
I want to say that let the president know, in case he's aware, that Benue State have a prohibition of open grazing law and provision for ranching.
A law it intends to jealously protect.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.